Sustainable development provides the basis for what we should transition our current development paradigm to. In order to be considered sustainable development, a wide range of qualifications must be met, all relating to the overall health of humans and the environment together. Currently, sustainable development seems intense and drastic, but in order to see positive results in the face of climate change, drastic measures must be taken. Although currently seen as expensive and lengthy, the long-term attitude of sustainable development means that it will only get cheaper and more efficient as time progresses. Its all-encompassing approach towards development, including water and food security, gender equity, and poverty, among many others, provides the best chance for humans to change the errors in their ways in regards to environmental degradation. Development must be comprehensive in order to reflect the complexity of the human-environment relationship. Humans possess an incredible ability to adapt to changing environments, which when paired with sustainable development could provide a solution to global climate struggles.